So check it out, guys. I got some new cams for blue. I was gonna do some SE 255s in blue, but I decided to go with the TTS 100s. These are the ones that my boss was telling me about. This is like his favorite cam. Man, I got these at a great price through TTS, or through Master Tune actually, because it was an open box and they're brand spanking new. They gave them to me for half price, and so I had to jump on it. And so I got some extra stuff in as well. I got the actual socket for the top of the fork tubes, and when I do the cam, I got the locking tool to put in between the timing gears to be able to loosen and torque them. So I ended up getting these as well when I got the wheels. These came off of God, I forget what year. I think they came off of a 2011 Road Glide. And so they'll actually fit perfectly on Sapphire. So those guys are gonna end up going onto here. So you can see how I polished them, but they just, man, they dull out so fast. So let's grab one of these. They're dirty, but you can see the difference. Well, I'm gonna clean these up really quick and then you'll be able to see the difference. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab some steel wool right now and I'm gonna clean these guys up. Put some gloves on really quick. So this is extra fine, and that's what you want to actually use. You don't want to use, especially on chrome. Oh my God, these things are cleaning up really, really good. Dang, these things are cleaning up nice. So what I love about these is these are not trade-ins like the ones on blue. The ones on blue, they were like returns or exchanges, I should say. And they got chromed, right? Because they were exchanges, and so they got sold not as new, but they got sold as re-chromed or whatever. So these are actually super, super clean, man. These were brand new. They're not, like I said, they're not redone. These were actually, man, these things are super clean. These were actually sold on a CVO. It came off of an 11 Road Glide. Look at that. You guys see that? You guys see how nice that looks? Man, these things are beautiful. I'm gonna clean these up too. I'll probably start, I want to get a couple of rides in on Sapphire before I actually start taking these off again, because I don't want to have too many bikes down at the same time. You know, like blue right now has been down because of the stereo, and then because of that I ended up doing the bars, and I didn't know that the stereo was going to be that intense, right? I had no idea that the stereo stuff is going to be that intense. You know what, let's see if this actually fits on here right now. So I'm starting to collect more and more tools, right? So this is actually a fork cap tool, and it goes right over. Look at that. And it's a Motion Pro, which is good. And so, yeah, this one's nice and clean, man. Wish I would have put these on blue, but the ones on blue are okay. Those are fine. So I got a lot of stuff coming up, guys. Gonna be doing the cams on blue. I'm gonna be doing the forks on Sapphire. And let's see here. Let me show you guys really quick. I got the bushings, brand new bushing and bolts, energy suspension, so that I can do the bars on Sapphire. So not only am I gonna do the bars on Sapphire, I'm going to do the forks. And oh my God, it's gonna look so much better with the chrome forks. Let's do a comparison now. You can actually see the difference The lighting's very poor in here right now too, but you can see the difference. So those are the stockers that came off of Sapphire, Blue. I'm gonna send those back because I got them as an exchange last year. Last year or the year before, I told him I was gonna send them back. And it's been a while, so he's probably thinking, what the hell is that guy taking so long for? So anyway, here's the other one. Let's get it cleaned up real quick too. So Sapphire is gonna be getting an upgrade on forks, bars, new bushings, and emblems. Emblems are on their way. So that's what I have coming up, guys. I wanna get that stuff done on Sapphire. Excuse me, I wanna get the stereo finished on Blue, and I wanna get the front wheel fixed on Wolf. And so those are the things that I got coming up. I'm taking care of all that stuff now. And hey, if you guys have not entered my current giveaway for Sapphire and Wolf, all you gotta do is head over to my website, jcustombuilds.com. Yes, I'm giving those two beautiful bikes away. And all you have to do to get into the giveaway is head over to the website, jcustombuilds.com, buy yourself a hat, buy yourself a t-shirt or both, and that's your automatic entry into the giveaway. If you're not aware of my giveaways, you can check out some of the videos that I have on my YouTube channel, jcustombuilds. Other than that, I hope you guys are doing well. Always remember to ride safe, take care in everything you do, and God bless. Brother taking Sapphire for a spin. We did the clutch adjustment today. Man, it feels amazing. It feels really, really good, man. I thought it was great before. It's 100 times better now.